Welcome to iCalculator's video on taxation in Portugal. Whether you are a regular user of the free tax tools and information provided by iCalculator or new to us, this video will provide insight into the tax administration in Portugal and what this means for individuals, businesses, and corporations. This in turn allows you to understand your commitments and to then use the free tax calculators for Portugal on iCalculator to estimate and track tax due. Let's start by taking a look at the tax administration in Portugal. The Portuguese Tax and Customs Authority, or PTA, are responsible for tax administration and collection of tax and customs in Portugal. The PTA is a full member of Intra-European Organization of Tax Administration, or IOTA, which is a non-profit organization that provides a forum to assist members of European countries to improve their fiscal capability. Compliance for individuals. The tax year for individuals is the same as the calendar year. Personal tax returns must be filed between 1st of April and 30th of June following the year end, and payable tax amount should be cleared by 31st of August. Penalties apply for failure to comply with filing obligations and tax payments. Filing joint tax returns for married couples is allowed unless one of the spouses is a non-resident. Residents are taxed on worldwide income and non-residents are taxed on Portugal source-based income. Taxable personal income is divided into 6 categories: employment income, investment income, business and professional income, rental income, capital gains, and pension. Capital gains. Tax on capital gains derived by an individual from selling their main residence is exempt, given the earned income is used to purchase another permanent home within the territory of Portugal or in another EU or EEA member state. Capital gains of this type may be subject to exemption if the seller is over 65 years of age and the proceeds are invested in a pension plan that meets defined criteria. Capital gains realized by non-resident individuals on the sale of shares or similar rights in a non-resident company may be subjected to capital gains tax, as they are regarded a Portuguese source income. Only half of the gains from the sale of immovable assets are taxed if the capital gains are reinvested. Other taxes. Several environmental taxes are levied on individuals, such as a tax on plastic bags. Tax incentives are offered on the purchase of hybrid and electric cars. Deductions are permitted on personal income taxes, including forest saving plans, health and educational expenses, up to a specific limit only. Also, personal tax credits are available depending on the number of family members. A set amount is allocated for each dependent, with an additional sum for dependents under 3 years of age. Compliance for corporations. Corporate taxes are subject to self-assessment in Portugal. Electronic filing is mandatory within 5 months of the end of the tax year. Advanced corporate tax and the national surtax are payable in installments. The tax year is considered as the calendar year, although a different tax year can be requested if it coincides with the accounting period. Once selected, the tax accounting period should be maintained for at least 5 years. Consolidated returns are permissible upon meeting the defined criteria. Penalties and interest are payable for late filing and failure to comply with the tax law. Basis of tax. Similar to PIT, resident entities are taxed on worldwide income and non-resident companies are subject to tax only on Portuguese source revenue. Profits generated by residents on foreign source are taxed as per corporate tax regime. Capital gains derived from the indirect disposal of certain immovable property located in Portugal are subject to corporate income tax. Corporation taxes levied at different rates for resident and non-resident companies, with the reduced rates for subject matter experts. Thank you for watching our introduction to taxation in Portugal. Remember, you can find all the latest tax rates and access free tax calculators and resources at iCalculator. For more info, visit our site today. Finally, we kindly ask that if you enjoyed this video, then please like and comment so we can tailor future videos and refine our tools to continue to meet your needs.